Shot glass. I got the shit mapped out strong. Yeah, you know what's up. Shot glass.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Brittney and today I will be showing you a quick and easy makeup tutorial. This is my go-to, kind of like my everyday wear. So the first thing that you see me going into is my Beauty Bakerie Wake and Bake Baking Oil. I really love to use this oil as a primer. It is so moisturizing. It just soaks into my skin and it's so smooth. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Beauty Bakerie flour powder. It's in the color yellow, and I really like to set my face with the powder after my primer because it controls my oil areas. I really get oily in my T-zone, so I just like to put powder there before my foundation. Now I'm going to go into my Born This Way foundation in the color Tiramisu. I like to use 2 pumps on my entire face. I really love this foundation because it's very moisturizing. It almost feels as if I don't have anything on. It's not heavy or anything. And I feel as if it's a perfect match. Shout out to Jackie Aina. Also guys, if you would like to see how I do my eyebrows, please give this video a thumbs up and I'll be sure to do a eyebrow tutorial for you guys. I forgot to show my concealer, but I am going in with Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Amande. I really love this concealer for its undertone, and I also like to use it when I'm just doing a very simple everyday go-to. It's not very bright. When I want to overdo it, I always go in with my Pro Girl concealer, but for an everyday concealer, I always go for my Nars. Every day I just like to do my under eyes, my nose, my cubic bow, and my chin. I don't really like to do my forehead. I feel like my forehead is already big, so I just feel like putting concealer makes it stand out more. So I just use whatever's left over on the sponge to do that. And I'm going back in with that Beauty Bakerie flour powder in yellow to set all of my highlighted areas. I really love their setting powder. It's another staple of mine. I'm going in with Bobbi Brown Black Plum eyeshadow for my contouring. Chisel those cheeks, girl. Yes. Okay, to blend everything out, I'm going in with my MAC Studio Fix in the color NW55. I like to use this to get rid of all that excess powder and just to blend in everything and make my skin even. This palette is my absolute favorite. It's the Beauty Bakerie Coffee and Cocoa palette. I'm going in with antidepressant to warm up my face and my contour areas. I feel like every woman of color should have this palette. Like, oh my goodness, y'all. It is the bomb. I love it. I'm just going back in with that Beauty Bakerie yellow flower powder to make those cheekbones pop out a little bit more. Going back in with that Studio Fix to get rid of that excess powder. Next, I'm going to be using MAC's blush in the color Raizin for those cheeks. I'm going in with Juvia's Place black eyeliner and I'm going to line my eyes. Just to glam my look up just a little bit, I'm going to go in with Aina's Diamond Glow Powder in the color LaBronze. I'm going to put those in my inner tear ducts. And for highlight, I'm going to use Jackie's other Diamond Glow Powder in the color LaPeach. I wanted my eyes to stand out the most, so I didn't really want to do a very glammy highlight. Something just subtle and natural. I'm just setting my face with MAC Fix Plus. I'm not going to do fake lashes today. I'm going to do my real ones since it's just a simple everyday look. So I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Push Up Angel mascara and lash multiplication Knit Kat New York mascara. I hope I'm saying that right. Everything that I used in this video will be in the description below, so check that out, guys. Alright, I'm going to stop here and go get dressed. I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright guys, so this is my finished look for my Get Ready With Me video. I just went in with Mattemoiselle from Fenty Beauty in the color Griselda. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me in my Get Ready With Me video. Please subscribe to my channel. I am a new YouTuber. If you want to see more makeup tutorials, when I take out my protective style, I will be doing more natural hair videos. So yeah, if you like what you see, please thumbs up my video and subscribe. Bye.
Brittney be my bae.